So first we're starting off with the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. And then we're going to be going in with the Morphe Luminous spray and using the Pears Soap for the eyebrows just to kind of glue them down into place. And then we're going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills number 12 brush and the pomade in graphite, and we're just going to be pretty much outlining the bottom part of the eyebrow and filling in like any sparseness that there may be. I like to kind of keep my eyebrows as natural looking as possible. And I'm going to be using the Anastasia Cream Contour Kit in the lightest color that's in the palette, in light and medium. I'm going to just be running that under my eyebrows to kind of clean them up a little bit, around the tail of the eyebrow and on top of the eyebrow as well. I try to avoid the very front. I then kind of dab it out with my finger and use the spoolie just to go through them again. I did wipe off most of it just because it was creating dry patches under my eyebrows. So I went in with the Too Faced concealer and just primed my eyelids. I then went in with the pink shade from the Life is Drag palette and applied that to my crease. And I'm just repeating the same step on the other eye. I then go into the light pink bubblegum shade in the Jawbreaker palette to help blend out the color that I had previously applied. And then using the same brush, I go into the very light pink color to blend it into my brow bone. I then decide to go into the Alien palette and take that deep purple shade. I wanted it to kind of look like a blown out purple pink smoky eye, so I apply that right under that first pink color we had applied, and then I just fill in the rest of my eyelid with the same color. Using the purple shade from the Bloodsugar palette, I blend that deeper purple into the pink color that I had previously applied, and just trying to get it to be a smooth transition. I then decide to go into that hot pink shade in the Bloodsugar palette to kind of help everything blend a little bit better. Here I am just taking a makeup wipe to clean up the edges of the eyeshadow look and also any fallout that might have fallen underneath my eyes. Then I'm taking a small brush and this pink glitter and applying it to my crease. After applying it to both eyes, I actually decided to just apply it to the whole eyelid, so you'll see that in a second. And here's where it all fell on my shirt. After getting glitter all over my face, I try to take it off with a makeup wipe and really debate on this eye look. As you can see, I was ready to take it off, but I decided to keep going and put on eyeliner. Sometimes eyeliner makes it better. Although we know how difficult it is to apply eyeliner over glitter, so you can watch me struggle here. I then go in with the light shade from the Alien palette and apply it to my brow bone. I then go and spray some more of the Luminous setting spray and my Too Faced Born This Way foundation to my face with my Eco Tools beauty sponge. Here I'm just applying my Colourpop No Filter Concealer under my eyes, on the top of my nose and on my chin. Blending it out with the same sponge and then taking some translucent setting powder from Anastasia Beverly Hills and applying that over where I just put down my concealer. I then take the same shades that I had taken above and start blending it into the bottom of my eyes. Also added some glitter and some shimmery white color from that Alien palette into my inner corners. I wipe away all of the translucent powder that was left over. I apply the middle bottom shade from the light medium palette just to contour my face and add blush kind of above it, a little bit on my nose as well. This is me just debating again whether or not I should just wipe it all off my face. I then used the Marquise lashes from Eyelure and some Maybelline mascara. Here I'm using the Colourpop Lippie pencil in BFF to line my lips. I don't usually overline my lips, so then I filled them in and used this NYX pencil to darken the corners of my lips a little bit and applied some gloss to mostly the middle of my lips. Here I'm putting on my ABH Amrezy Highlight to the high points of my face. Then I'm just setting my face with the same Morphe Luminous setting spray, and that's the finished look. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.